О, тряпочку положил, сейчас откроет. Откроет чини.
नहीं नहीं हम कंट्रोल को बता दें उसको बोलो ऊपर से जाए
I'm one car park, two car going.
Sir, your car already inside the parking.
Okay, inside right now, car inside going. Why bro?
Problem.
Me not time. Why bro?
Sir, this is not our problem.
Come manager.
Sir, that's
Right
not our
now,
problem.
manager.
You,
manager.
I'm not manager. I am the
Okay,
security
come
guard.
manager.
Sure, you remove your one car, then second car is going. Sir.
Boss, remove too much big time and going.
That is not our problem. Sir.
Why?
We are.
Бля, ну реально тупые, ну, блядь. Заехать, блядь, разгрузиться, блядь, нельзя, ну это просто пиздец.
Sir,
Hello.
Sir.
Where is problem? Where is not car park? Why problem? Not car park. Why situation? Me not time, me
sir,
going.
let me tell to him so that he can understand very well.
Okay.
Sir, that client already parked inside the one car and he want to bring the second car. We advise to him, sir, please you exit the one car, then second car you go inside. So he said, no, you just open the barrier for us.